Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you edit TikTok videos. So let's just continue to TikTok app. Here you can see in the middle plus icon, click on it. Here you can see in the top right flip option. Just by clicking it, it will change your camera. Under that, you can see 1x speed. Click on it. Now you can see a bar. Just like changing this, you can change your video speed. Now you can see the third option, filters. Click on it. Now you can change your filters for the video. Here you can see portrait, landscape, food, vibe, and so on. Now you can see the fourth option, beautify. Click on it. Here you can see so many options to beautify your video. You can also put makeup for your video. Now you can see the fifth option, timer. Click on it. Here you can set timer for your video. Now you can see Q&A, the second last option. Click on it. Here you can see suggested videos that you can make a remake of it, and side of that you can see favorites. You can make other videos favorite and it will show it right here. You can see the last option, flash. Click on it and it will open flash. So guys, this is how can you edit TikTok videos. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.